Wala na palang zero down payment at free amortization ngayon. Yun ang akala mo. Papakita ko sa iyo ang promo natin, best offer, free amortization at zero down payment sa mga Mitsubishi units natin ngayong buwan ng Mayo. Para sa ating 2026 Xpander Cross, naka zero down payment pa rin tayo at nagbibigay pa rin tayo ng free 1-month amortization or pay after 75 days. Meron pang 30,000 worth of exclusive freebies at 20,000 pesos worth of fuel support from Mitsubishi and Shell. At ang atin namang best-selling multi-purpose vehicle na pang-family, 7-seater, Xpander GLS, naka zero down payment tayo, may 26,000 monthly amortization, may freebies din na worth 30,000 pesos, may free 2 years PMS service, libre ang oil, parts and labor, at 20,000 pesos na fuel support from Mitsubishi and Shell. Zero down payment pa rin na ating 2026 Montero Sport GLX manual transmission. Meron tayong exclusive freebies na worth 40,000 pesos or free upgrade sa Black Series look or GT look at may 20,000 pesos din yan na fuel support from Mitsubishi and Shell. Narito ang ating 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator GLS na ngayon naka zero down payment at may exclusive freebies na worth 40,000 pesos at 20,000 worth of fuel support from Mitsubishi and Shell. Pang negosyo, pang kabuhayan, nandyan ang ating 2026 Mitsubishi L300 na naka zero down payment at pay after 150 days plus free assistance sa LTFRB franchise at 20,000 pesos fuel support from Mitsubishi and Shell. Ang ating 2027 Mitsubishi Triton GLS na naka zero down payment, 40,000 monthly amortization, 40,000 pesos na exclusive freebies, at 20,000 pesos na fuel support from Mitsubishi and Shell. At para naman sa ating 2026 Montero Sport GLS Automatic, nakapromo tayo ng 15,000 down payment, free 1-year PMS service na libre ang oil, parts at labor na walang babayaran for 1 year, at exclusive freebies na pwede kang mamili whether Black Series look or GT look, at syempre exclusive pa rin na 20,000 pesos fuel support from Mitsubishi and Shell. Kaya kung ikaw ay isang locally employed, business owner, or OFW at interesado ka sa mga offers natin sa lahat ng Mitsubishi units natin ngayong buwan, message mo lang ako sa contact details na nasa taas ng screen. Usap tayo.